Hello, Lekitronics here. In this video, I will demonstrate how to replace the boot logo on your ROS 4 clone-based R36 Ultra game console. You can personalize your device by changing the boot logo. My R36 Ultra currently boots with this logo, but by the end of this video, you'll see this custom logo instead. Let's get started. To change the boot logo to your preferred image, follow these steps. Step 1. Obtain or create the logo image you want to use. Step 2. Open the image in the Paint application. If the image dimensions are not 1:1, select the desired area and ensure the proportions are approximately square. Crop the image. Click on Resize. Uncheck Maintain Aspect Ratio. Select Pixels and resize the image to 720 by 720 pixels. Step 3. Save the modified logo as a 24-bit bitmap file and rename it to logo.bmp. Insert the SD card into your computer. Step 4. Copy the resized logo.bmp file to the boot directory of your SD card. Confirm that the file size of the new logo is approximately 1519 KB and in correct format .bmp. Eject the SD card and insert it back into your R36 Ultra. Step 5. Power on the device. You should now see your custom boot logo during startup. And that's it. You've successfully customized the boot logo on your R36 Ultra. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.